Welcome back for another video. Today I'm making honey glazed sweet potatoes and tricolored quinoa with an Asian flavor. To prepare the quinoa, rinse it well and then add some water and leave it there to soak and sprout. Now for the glaze, we're gonna start out with some sambal oelek, Thai sweet chili sauce, key lime or regular limes if you don't have key limes, tamari or liquid Bragg, honey, organic honey. Then we are going to stir all of those delicious ingredients together. Stir it really well. And after that, I'm going to add the combination of garlic and ginger. Before I add the potatoes in the pan, I spread some of that glaze underneath. And then I put the potatoes on top. And the reason why I'm brushing the sauce or a glaze on there is because I want to get some of that garlic and ginger on the potatoes to bake together to bring all those flavors into the potatoes. Now you can go ahead and dunk this if you prefer, but this is the method that I like to use. After that, after they're well painted with garlic and the ginger on top, we're gonna go ahead and put that in the oven and let it bake. All the time and information will be in the description box. Now for the quinoa, I'm starting off with some garlic and ginger and I'm just frying it, let it get nice and fragrant. After that, I'm going to add a combination of onions and diced carrots, and then I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit and stirring it continuously so it doesn't get burnt. And you don't want to let this cook too long, just slightly saute it because it's gonna cook and boil with the quinoa and we don't want them to get soggy and mushy. There's nothing worse than soggy and mushy vegetables. Next, add the tricolored quinoa, the tamari or Bragg's, and let it cook down for about 2 minutes. Make sure you stir it during this time. Once it's cooked down, add the water and taste it. Stir it and taste it. Make sure that there's enough seasoning to your liking. Add more if you want it a little bit more seasoned. Then let it come to a boil and put a lid on it and let it cook down. And voila, there you have it. Tricolored quinoa with an Asian flavor. Now all you have to do is fluff it out and serve it. Ladies and gentlemen, honey glazed sweet potatoes with tricolored quinoa. I also add some green onions on top for garnishment, which tastes really good with the quinoa, and some avocados. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time. Don't forget to follow.